Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to put a black background on Instagram story. So first of all, just go ahead to your Instagram app. Let's say for example, I want to add a story. So I'm going to just hold right here or click the plus button at the top left right here. And what you got to do, you got to just go ahead and try to add the photo right here. You're going to see like a small square at the below left. Just click on it and just click right here the background. Okay, and this is for example a black background, and so you have the choice to extend it to be like full black, right? And what you're gonna do here, if you want to add more than one photo, click on the sticker at the top left, and you're gonna just see right here like a gallery. You're gonna see like a gallery kind of an icon. Let me just try and find it here. You're gonna see it on the middle right here. I'm gonna just click on it and add, let's say for example, a photo just like this, and you can just tap to add more. And as you can see, we added a black background. At the same time, we added another photo, and the same goes if you want to add another photo. Click on the sticker at the top, and it's gonna open up a camera roll for you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.